7. Procurement and vendor management. Procurement process and contract management. The procurement process involves identifying project needs, defining procurement requirements, and selecting suitable vendors. This includes preparing requests for proposals, RFPs, or requests for quotations, RFQs, evaluating vendor proposals, and negotiating contracts. Contract management ensures that contractual agreements are properly administered, including monitoring compliance, managing change requests, and resolving any contract-related issues. Vendor selection and evaluation. Selecting the right vendors is crucial for project success. It involves evaluating vendor capabilities, expertise, past performance, and financial stability. Project managers consider factors such as vendor reputation, pricing, delivery capabilities, and alignment with project requirements. Vendor evaluation helps ensure that the selected vendors are capable of delivering the required goods or services. Contract negotiation and administration. Contract negotiation involves reaching mutually beneficial agreements with vendors on pricing, terms and conditions, deliverables, and performance expectations. Effective negotiation skills help project managers secure favorable contracts while maintaining a good working relationship with vendors. Contract administration involves monitoring contract compliance, managing contract milestones, and addressing any disputes or issues that may arise during the project. Managing vendor relationships and performance. Building and maintaining strong relationships with vendors is essential. Project managers establish effective communication channels, establish clear expectations, and foster collaboration to ensure vendor performance aligns with project objectives. Regular performance evaluations and feedback help in monitoring vendor performance and taking corrective actions if needed. Effective vendor management contributes to successful project outcomes and ensures that vendors are accountable for delivering high-quality goods or services. 8. Project stakeholder management. Identifying and analyzing project stakeholders. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest or can be affected by the project. Identifying stakeholders involves systematically identifying all relevant stakeholders, both internal and external to the organization. Stakeholder analysis helps understand their interests, expectations, influence, and potential impact on the project. This analysis guides stakeholder engagement and communication strategies. Stakeholder engagement and communication strategies. Effective stakeholder engagement involves developing strategies to actively involve stakeholders in the project. This includes defining communication channels, frequency, and formats for engaging with stakeholders. Tailored communication strategies help ensure stakeholders receive the right information at the right time. Engagement activities may involve meetings, progress reports, workshops, or feedback sessions to foster collaboration, address concerns, and gather input from stakeholders. Managing stakeholder expectations and requirements. Managing stakeholder expectations is crucial for project success. Project managers need to understand stakeholder needs and requirements and align them with project objectives. This involves clarifying project scope, deliverables, timelines, and potential constraints with stakeholders. Regular communication and ongoing stakeholder management help ensure that expectations are properly managed throughout the project. Stakeholder relationship management. Building and nurturing positive relationships with stakeholders is essential. This includes fostering trust, being responsive to their concerns, and actively addressing their needs. Project managers should proactively manage stakeholder relationships, anticipate potential conflicts, and employ conflict resolution techniques when necessary. Maintaining strong stakeholder relationships enhances stakeholder support, reduces resistance, and improves project outcomes.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.